What is a milling machine? A milling machine is a machine tool used to remove material from a workpiece by means of rotating cutting tools. It is primarily used in manufacturing processes to create parts of various shapes and sizes. Unlike a lathe, which rotates the workpiece, the milling machine rotates the cutting tool, while the workpiece remains fixed or moves slowly on a movable table. Working principle of a milling machine. The working principle of a milling machine is based on rotary motion. The milling cutter, a tool with multiple cutting edges, is mounted on a spindle and rotates at high speed. The workpiece is mounted on a movable table that can move in different directions: longitudinal x-axis, transverse y-axis, and vertical z-axis. As the cutter rotates, it removes material by shearing it from the surface of the workpiece. Main parts of a milling machine. Base, the bottom part of the machine that provides stability and support. Column, mounted on the base, it houses the spindle and motor. Knee, attached to the column, supports the saddle and table. Saddle, mounted on the knee, it allows movement of the table in the y-axis direction. Holds the workpiece, moves in x and y directions. Spindle, rotating part that holds the cutting tool. Overarm arbor, in horizontal mills, supports the arbor that holds the cutter. Motor powers the spindle and cutting operation. Control panel, used in CNC machines for inputting commands and settings. Types of milling machines. 1. Horizontal milling machine. The spindle is horizontal to the work table, suitable for heavy cutting and large work pieces. Uses an arbor to hold and rotate the cutter. Haver 2. Vertical milling machine. The spindle is vertical to the table. More versatile and widely used. Ideal for precise work like slotting, drilling, and contouring. 3. Universal milling machine. Combines features of both horizontal and vertical machines. The table can be swiveled for angular operations. Useful for complex geometries. Summer 4. CNC milling machine. CNC equal computer numerical control. Fully automated and programmed via software, G-code, high precision, speed, and repeatability. Essential for mass production and high complexity parts. Common milling operations. Operation, description. Face milling. Produces a flat surface perpendicular to the cutter axis. End milling cuts profiles, slots, and cavities. Slotting cuts narrow grooves or slots.